So this is the FLB Control Center. This is how you're going to install all of your indicators, gain access to Discord. I'm just going to run through it real quick for you so you understand what's going on. First, when you install it, you're going to want to come over to TradingView. If you have TradingView, and put in your username and click Save Claim, and it's going to tell you all of the indicators that you have access to. If you want to get on Discord, you come in here and put your Discord name in, click Claim Discord Access, and then click Join. It's going to pop up with your Discord and lets you in there. These are where the announcements go. If you click this, it goes to announcements. There will be announcements. This is just the beginning stages of the control center. Updates. If you have any updates, this is going to pop up with an install update, and then it's going to actually install an update. For tool access, we're going to come here. This is to install on NinjaTrader, since it's the only platform we're working on except TradingView. TradingView is just automated through one. NinjaTrader, you actually have to install which indicators you want. For example, if you want to install Asset Stack, you click Asset Stack and you click, we'll uninstall it real quick. We'll click install, and it's going to actually install into NinjaTrader for you. And all you have to do is open NinjaTrader. It will compile automatically, and then you'll have it in your indicators list. There's a user guide for it right here. You can come in here and read it through the control center, or you can download the PDF and it will download onto your computer, and you will have the guide on Asset Stack, and then it has which other indicators you want to use with it, how to use it, how to use the settings. Here's the stack integration. For the stack, it says use Light Beacon, Edge Pulse Search, and Trade Shield, and that will get you going in you know, that kind of environments. And then we have let's go back to the home page, and then we have our machines here. This is giving you access to 2 machines. The second one you have to request, and that is for VPSs. For basically, if you're executing on a VPS, which I highly suggest, even manual executions, or if you're using algos, you need to request this. This is automatically going to look up to see if the IP that you're requesting is a VPS. If it is not a VPS, it's going to deny you. Now we go to TradingView. We already did that, and then we already did Discord. Here's logs. This is just to start now while the thing is in alpha. And it's just giving you a chance to look at any logs. If there's any issues, you can find out on your own and to send to us. Tutorials is basically just opening to our First Light Beacon YouTube right now. VPS, this is where you can grab a VPS if you don't have one. This is through our partner Quant VPS. They're right next to the exchange in Chicago. I've tried all of them. This is the best. And they give us a deal, 60% off the first month. You can select whichever one you want. Go to Light, Standard, Light, Performance. That's the one I suggest if you're just doing light manual executions or just running 1, maybe 2 strategies full time. If you're getting more than that, then you want to go to Pro, Standard, Pro Performance. I use Pro Performance, but you can go up if you want, and it tells you the stats of each one right here. Then we go into support. So if you need to get any support from us, you can come in here and create support tickets, or you can just email support@firstlightbeacon.com. But this will let you include your control center and NinjaTrader logs when you send the report or support request to us. If you have any issues, I'm going to ask that anyway. So just come here and click that and send the report. And then you just have, you know, settings, change your email, log out. Now logging in, let me go ahead and show you that real quick. Again, it's going to pop up like this. We just put in our email and password if we already have created an account through the system. If you have not, you can just put in your email, click email me a sign-in link. It will email you something to sign in, and it will let you create a password. That is basically how you create your account if you don't already have one, or you can sign in through your WAP login. When you do that, when you click it, it's going to open up WAP's page. You log in, and it's going to give you access to the system. I would suggest just creating your own account and creating a password once you get in, so that you can just easily stay logged in and remember password, and that will let you log in. Now, this automatically has an update checker if there's an update to the version. Right now, we're at 1.036. If there is an update, you have to update this without NinjaTrader open, and it will update. If you have any questions, let us know in Discord.